Hey, this looks like a let's see.
Gotta win at all costs.
Chill. I got your number. Get ready. Let's do this. That's it. Bundle up. You're mine. Now you wait for it. See ya. That it?
Finally managed to get those Doom rats, huh? Thanks, guys. You're the greatest. It was so dead in here, I thought I might have to close up shop for good. Hey, got an idea. Hear me out. If the guy who took care of the town's rat problem told everybody where he liked to shop, well, what do you say? I'll make it worth your while, of course. Give you some incentive. Talk you up to Weimer and my customers, and anybody else who listen. You'll be swimming in work before you know it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay then, that's what I like to hear. Seventh Heaven, the new merc in town and my little store. I can see it now. We're gonna clean up.
Thanks to the awesome market. Everyone's favorite.
Just imagine if
Hey, what are you doing in there? Hey, what are you doing? I'm trying to get a cat to come out. It snatched one of my pastries and scurried in there. Will you be a dear and lend me a hand?
This sucks.
There's this one weirdo who lives there too. We should increase security.
Hey,
to
we
keep
got another
that
job for you, Merc.
beast away from our
Clouds! You were the first to gather the data I requested. Here is the rest of your payment. I have developed new materia. Would you like to see it? I plan to develop more materia in the future. Together, we can harness enough power to take down Shinra. I'll keep preparing more battle intel reports, which I hope you will assist me in completing.
A certain shopkeeper told me you paid him a visit. Thanks for helping him out. Just so happens there's another job I'd like to offer you. Now that I know you can handle yourself in a fight. You've got a real killer on the loose, you see. A rabid catch dog. Maybe you've heard people talking about it. Shinra mutt gone feral. Last sighting was in Scrap Boulevard. Think you're up to it?
I'll handle it.
You're a lifesaver. Doubt anyone else around here stands a chance. Go get him, bud.
I hear you sell swords.
Battalion monster slain has been updated.
Get off.
The catch dog was last seen in Scrap Boulevard.
Monster slain has been updated. Got new numbers for monster slain this month.
Can't
Get
afford to
ready.
lose focus.
Sloppy. Allow me.
Shatter.
Bring it!
Now. Burn.
Come on!
Take the lead.
I got this. Bring it!
Damn it.
Hey, over here! Tifa! Hey, crowd! I drove the Hound into the area up ahead. He's pissed, so make sure you're ready.
Keep your cool.
No need to worry.
Keep it together.
Okay, let's go.
That sucked.
I got it. Shit. Calling ice. No escape.
Don't give up.
Steady.
Gotta be strong.
Bring it.
Okay.
There. Gotcha. Come on. Yeah. There's no escape. Damn it.
Take it over. Time to burn. I won't give up. All right. Game over, huh? Keep your cool.
No need to worry.
Need a light? Oh. Get ready. Here it comes. Let's do this.
I'm not going out like this.
Let's finish this. Sorry. What the hell is wrong with me?
Took care of the dog, did you? Phew, we owe you one.
Gotta say, I've never seen a Shinra breed like that before. Out of curiosity, when exactly did it show up?
Oh, today. The first reports came in just this morning. Why do you ask? Wait a minute. There's this crazy story about a Shinra research lab hidden right beneath our feet under the slums.
Huh. Really? That's news to me.
And here I thought you might know something I don't. Well, I guess not.
It's a big organization. I'm sure there's lots of secrets I don't know.
Yeah, fair enough. You got the bastard. That's good enough for me.
I'll bet a lot of people are talking about you right now. There's this amazing merc who can handle anything.
Nothing I've done around here has been all that special, though.
Oh, so you want more of a challenge, huh?
Keep this up, and you're gonna put the neighborhood watch out of business.
Looks like one was right about here.
I have to tell you that I'm grateful for all of your help thus far. I've done it. I've developed a new material. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel sources.
Got new numbers. Swear all the lots of girls. I might need your help one day.
Not gonna let you sleep. Think we could get some money in the future?
Did you hear that just now? I think one of Betty's pets might be nearby.
Seriously? Tifa, you won't believe this. A cerulean drake flew in from the train graveyard, but these two clowns refused to get up their butts and do anything about it. Hey, is that? It is you, the new merc. Then maybe you can help us out. The drake is in the old telegraph factory over there. But to reach it, you'll need to get a hold of a watch security key. You should be able to find one inside one of the crates. I forget which. Just smash them all.
I've seen that poster.
If you think about it, the reactors have to be.
You're right.
Oh,
The part I'm looking for has to be.
Recently, a rather aggressive
You working?
train graveyard to the
Piece of cake. Bundle up.
I got this.
Keep those gloves up.
Sure thing, Coach.
Won't be tough.
Of course not.
Okay, let's go.
Not bad. This won't take long.
Not at all.
Chill. Freeze. Going in. Enough.
That's a win.
Locked up tight. Damn it.
That the key?
Yeah.
Here I go.
Right behind you.
Too bad.
Don't overdo it.
I got it. Bring it. Take that. Pour it on. There's no escape.
No escape.
Bring it. Watch yourself.
My turn. Need a light.
That's the way to do it.
And there he is! I knew you were the right man for the job. There's no denying you're the real deal. Not like these idiots with their excuses. Rather have one of you than 20 of them.
They're just doing their jobs. Can't expect them to be at your beck and call.
What exactly is it you're trying to say, Merc?
You need people who can follow orders, too.
I see now. Heard you were ex-Shinra. Guess I shouldn't be surprised you'd go to bat for your old buddies. Me, I'm just looking out for my people. All there is to it. Hell with you. We can take care of this town ourselves. No more mercs or Shinra. We'll build up the watch and kick you all out.
Good job ridding us of that hassle.
The way Gwen talks about you?
That was definitely a cow. I wonder if it's one of Betty's.
Yeah, sure.
Plus, there's no guarantee it'll help me get a high.
My wife's worried that if this goes on much longer, we're gonna have some tough decisions to make.
There's no space, man. Thinking I might join in.
You must be strong if you fight a lot.
There's this one dude in the watch.
It's just me, or there are strays around here.
There's this one dude in the watch.
He's not a gopher.
I heard you making money hand over fist.
I told Dad we're getting sorted. They love crowded places. Stream right the road to the station. It's a live stream. I don't know.
Thanks a bunch for keeping our streets safe.
it isn't the Merc putting in work.
See you at the bar later.
That's where the watch guy Biggs lives, right? Monsters here. Monsters here.
Got new nuts?
I hope you will continue to help me gather vital information. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions.
That landlady, Morrow. So they blew up a reactor.
My husband decided to go to
Another day I can't. Keeping your nose to the grindstone, huh?
Thanks to the awesome new Merc.
You ever take
Wait, something's wrong. Let's check it out.
I hope he's okay.
Stay away from me! Hold it! Settle down now.
Get off me, assholes! I didn't do shit!
Shut up, punk!
Or what, huh? Screw you! Ow,
What's going on?
man. Why you gotta do
Somebody
me like
went and
that?
stole some
Just
blasting
messing
needed from a
with you.
Shinra warehouse. So public security started asking questions, and you know how Jumpy gets.
It's because of the reactor bombing, I bet. I could be wrong, but something tells me they're not gonna settle for just roughing him up this time.
We've got to save him, Cloud.
Is he Avalanche?
No. He doesn't really know what we do. But he has his suspicions. And he's a talker. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should go alone.
I'm coming. It's the least I can do.
Thanks.
Oh, screw public security.
Love to help it, sure.
They come in and act like they own.
What the hell, man? You trying to break my arm? Dragging me through the street like this is... Ow! Rude, unusual punishment!
Come on. Let's get a closer look.
Any way to treat a model citizen of Midgar?
Model citizens don't steal blasting, Agent. So why don't you tell me why your ID popped when we were going over the warehouse logs?
Huh? You got it all wrong. I've never gone anywhere near a Shinra warehouse.
ID? Your ID was never lost, dumbass. Never got you inside a Shinra installation personally. We'll take all the time we need to pick up the story.
I swear. All he had to do was keep his mouth shut.
Yep.
Anyway, you distract the officers and I'll figure something out.
Let him go.
Who are you? The cavalry?
Is that who I think it is? Oh, hell yeah! You guys really came to save me! Ow! Oh.
Hey! What do you think you're doing?
Here we go.
Got that. Burn. Enough. Calling fire. Let's do this.
So, is it over?
What now?
He's a talker.
Huh? Whoa! Whoa!
No!
Huh? You're not gonna... Hold up! Wait! Don't do it, man!
You want to live? Then get the hell out of town.
You got it, boss!
You ain't never gonna see my face again! I swear!
Are you sure about this? It's a big risk.
I know, but it's fine.
And them?
No more. Cloud, you're scaring me. We need to go before they wake up. I'm worried about Johnny.
I'm more worried about us. We gotta go, right?
Right.
What?
It's just... you've really changed.
How?
I suppose it's... yeah. Your eyes. They used to be less...
It's the Mako. Soldier, remember?
I remember. So, what do you want to do now? Head back to the bar, or do you want to tackle another job or two? Definitely a cat.
I've chatted with that Barrett guy a few times. Looks like a real hard ass, but he's actually pretty chill.
Screw this.
What? They ran away? So, never gonna see them again? You guys! You came back! They said that a scary man was chasing them. Thank you! It's a live stream.
Okay then. That's another solid gig in the books. You know, the whole town is really impressed with what you've done. Keep it up, and you'll have enough work to keep you fed for a lifetime.
All thanks to you.
And don't you forget it.
So where do we get paid? The shop or something?
Yeah, but why don't we head back to the apartments first? Take a quick breather.
Which lesson was that again?
Lesson 1. Got it? Anyway, let's go.
One day I'll turn on the TV and see Jesse and I. Next item on the Friends of Friends.
The guy who lives over there's got a real memory. Everybody's singing your praises.
You totally saved that man's business. Is it true that you'll take on
She's saying there.
Huh? Someone's back awful early. Not that I mind. Would you two be dears and swap your filters out for me? I left them in your rooms.
Sure thing.
Not so fast, you. Do me a favor. She needs a friend. A real friend.
We're already friends.
So when she talks, are you really listening? Thinking about her and her feelings? Or are you just going through the motions? Go on.
Let's take care of this real quick, okay?
Sure.
Come over when you're done. Give me 1 sec. I'll be done in a bit. finally. So, after you left the village, I let you off the hook before, back at the hall, but not this time.
Well, when we were kids, everybody wanted to be a soldier, right?
Yeah, I remember they were on the news every day during the war.
Thing is, by the time I finally made it in, they didn't need heroes anymore. It was nothing like what we dreamt of. It was just working for Shinra. Just...
I'm sorry. I know it's a touchy subject.
Not exactly small talk. Especially with someone you haven't seen in a while.
I get it. Still, it's kind of funny. Us going our separate ways, thinking that must be it. That we'd never meet again. And then here, of all places, we do. You know what? We should totally celebrate. Let's dress up and hit the town.
Really?
I mean, why not? It'll be fun.
Do you even have fancy clothes?
Not like fancy, but I'll figure something out. What do you think would suit me, huh?
Something sporty?
I don't think that'd be so different from my usual. Be sure to pick an outfit that goes with mine, okay?
Will do.
This is gonna be so much fun. You'll see.
Yeah. Maybe.
And on that happy note, I think it's time we head back to the bar. Come on.
You don't need a break?
Honestly, I'm feeling pretty good. Marl isn't always right, you know. Hey, Marl. We took care of the filters, so we're gonna head back to the bar now.
Take care, you two. Oh, you're looking pretty chipper.
I don't feel that different.
Must be my imagination, then. Anyway, keep your wits about you, Merc. A token of my appreciation. Be good to her.
Nothing to report. Maintaining surveillance.
Apparently it was done by a terrorist.
Just imagine if rich people...
Good riddance to those rodents.
People are counting on us.
When's the bar open for business? I'm tired.
And here we are. You must be tired.
Same as you, I guess.
Could use a little something to take the edge off, right? How about a refreshing cocktail made by yours truly that you can sit back and savor?
Tifa.
Yeah, I'm feeling it a bit too. Hey, do you think you'll stick around a little longer?
Maybe. Work for a minute, build up some savings.
I see. So, what'll it be? Want to head back out for a little while? We're back.
Did you have fun?
Lots of fun.
Hey, need y'all downstairs.
Right now? Then the plan is...
Marlene, wanna go wait for Jesse out front?
Okay.
Looks like we're officially on for tomorrow night then. Gotta go over the details with the others.
Before you do, about my pay.
You'll get your money. So sit down and shut up until we're finished. Double time, Tifa.
I'm really sorry, but it shouldn't take much longer. In the meantime... grab a seat. What'll it be?
I don't know. Something hard and bitter.
Well, most people would say something sweet right about now.
I'm sure they would.
Ah, but you're a more discerning customer, aren't you? In which case... our house special, the Cosmo Canyon.
Beautiful.
I gotta go. Enjoy.
Hey, you see the news? The reactor bombing was the work of the eco-extremist group Avalanche. Public enemy #1. Gets your heart racing, doesn't it? They don't know our faces, so we're in the clear for now. But we'll want to capitalize on this momentum. Speaking of which, you coming on the next one?
For the right price.
Oh, you can bet I'll be pushing hard for a raise. Tifa will be joining us too, but I don't know. Even a blind man can see her heart's not in it. She was never on board with the bombings, so if it comes down to do or die... if I've got to put my life in someone else's hands, then I'd rather that someone was a professional. Like you.
Could still kill some time. Maybe just chill a bit. I heard you're having second thoughts.
I know we have to think big if we're going to make a difference. But not like this. I feel trapped.
If it feels wrong, don't do it.
Guess that's that then.
What, they kick you out?
We agreed to disagree. So, you want another drink?
Tifa! Time to celebrate. Break out all the good stuff.
Oh, sure.
We won't be needing you for this next job. Feel free to look for work elsewhere.
Fine by me. That's how I like it. No contract, no obligation.
Figured you'd say that. Here, the rest of your payment, along with a little extra for your exemplary service. And thus concludes our business. Gonna have to ask you to leave now. This here's a private affair.
Sorry, I tried. We talked it over, but in the end, we didn't want to put so much on you. This is our fight.
Jesse, what's the holdup?
Be right there. No hard feelings, huh?
It's fine.
Let's talk more after I'm done here, okay?
Really, it's fine.
Come on, Jesse, I'm dying here.
I'll catch you later. Sorry to keep you thirsty boys waiting.
Avalanche!
That hit the spot.
Damn, Biggs, slow down.
Keep it tight. Ain't no room.
What's up with them?
Word is he lives in this town. Just shut.
Hey, brother. You from around the way?
I guess.
Know a big man with a big gun strapped to his right arm? Heard he set up shop somewhere in the neighborhood.
That depends.
Ah. Clever. Smell an opportunity to make some scratch, do you?
500.
200.
3.
Whatever, man. Let's find somewhere quiet to talk. Walk with me.
Got something to say? You looking at me? Move it! I said move!
Look at all these assholes staring at us. This shithole's got nothing on Wall Market. Am I right? Word of advice, Blondie. Don't piss off my friend here. You'll be real sorry.
Unless you got some kind of death wish, then be my guest. After you, brother.
Don't worry. I ain't the backstabbing type. Most days.
You know where the bastard's hiding, don't you?
I told you before. That depends.
Oh yeah? You wasted my time!
Shinra's time, you mean?
Shinra knows better than to stick its nose in my boss's business.
Like I give a shit. I got your number.
You won't know what's up yet. Never felt better.
That's calling fire, big man with a big gun for an arm, right? Why do you want it? Time to burn. Calling fire. See you in hell. So if they weren't Shinra, then not my problem. Lesson 1 for life on the ground floor. Get some rest.
Not bad, Merc. We are young. There might be more on the way.
I've seen them around.
Oh, hey! Thanks for helping us.
My husband decided to go to the
Welcome home, honey. Took your sweet time. Psych. Are you gonna let me in so we can talk in private? Guess I'll get right to the point then.
Huh. What have you got there?
An apology for not getting you on the mission. Or not. What do you think it is?
A proposition.
Nailed it in one. Gonna have to ask you to keep all this a secret from the others, though. It's a personal matter. Something I need to sort out tonight.
Tonight?
Tonight. You and me, together. I want you to come with me to the Sector 7 plate. I'll give you the details on the way.
That's fine by me, but don't you have a pretty big day ahead of you?
I do, but if I don't deal with this now, it's only gonna get harder. Anyway, I can count on you, can't I? A down payment. Doubt we'll be back before morning, in case you were planning on traveling light. Make sure you've got